Hi guys, so my name is ANONYMOUSINGER11 and I'm going to do an unboxing video of this phone, Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. This is the box now. So the box is looking good and it's kind of hip. Not that. Alright, so this is a full metal phone. It has 13 megapixel front and back camera. It also has a finger scanner. It has 4G LTE signal, 64-bit octa-core processor, and the screen is 139.3 millimeters. That is 5.5 inches, full HD AMOLED. And it is 32 gig memory. So let's now open the box. So there you go. Let me open it here. So there is the phone, guys. Set that aside. This is the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro 2017 edition. It has full metal, as what I've said earlier. Both cameras on the rear and front is 13 megapixel and has finger scanner, which is here. Let's set the phone aside first. Opening the box further, we have here quick start guide, the USB cable, the headset, the charger, and what do they call this one? SIM pin ejector. Right, so let's go back to the phone and let's try to remove this stuff now. I'm done with that. So I'll be removing the plastic now. That sound. Alright, so here it is. This is how it looks like while I hold it. So this is the front camera here. It has a front flash, the finger scanner. This is the power button, the volume rocker up and down, SIM 1 card slot. This is actually a dual SIM phone. Second SIM should go here, as well as the micro SD slot. Right, so here is the speaker, the power button, the headset port, charger port, and the microphone there. So that is actually the phone. Let's try to open this one. Alright, there you go. Samsung. Let's wait for it to boot. Alright, there you go. Swipe screen to unlock. Alright, so let me check. Alright. Let's see the camera. This is the front camera. Alright, it's very clear. At the back, let's try it. It's nice. So that is the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro 2017 edition. So there you go, guys. If you have any further questions towards the cell phone, please comment down below. Please like, subscribe, and share this video too. Thank you for watching. This has been ANONYMOUSINGER11. doing an unboxing video of this new phone, Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro 2017.
Thank you guys for watching. This is ANONYMOUSINGER11. Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and share your thoughts by commenting down below. Click here for my latest videos and also follow me on my social media accounts on Facebook, Twitter, and on Instagram. Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.